Welcome back to Channel Gwan Tours. We're here in Paceville. Let's see what the nightlife's got to say. We're in Malta. What we're going to do, there's a lot of clubs down there, but I think we're going to walk this way first. But check that building out. If you've watched the day one, check that building out in the night time. It's crazy. But yeah, we're going to take a walk down here, have a quick look down here. So you've got the Long Hall Irish pub here. We'll take a walk down. So, it's 5 AM this one's open till, on the right. Oh, it's late, isn't it? So yeah, Irish bar, yeah.
This is the party area, isn't it?
Yeah. So, 5 AM. But it's a bar on the outside, or you can go inside. I can't believe it'd be outside till 5 AM. But yeah, look, chicken, $5.75 for half a chicken. Yeah. Cliche, yeah.
Some Chinese foods, little like takeaway stalls here, aren't they, really? Little kiosks.
Yeah. Oh, we saw these being made. We saw them.
That was in Antalya, wasn't it?
No, it was in Rhodes. No, it wasn't. Antalya. We went to Antalya.
And the area was it Antalya?
No, but it was in Khmer, wasn't it? It was in Khmer. So we was in Khmer. So we're going to have to walk back now because obviously down there is towards the water, but you can't get to the water, and there's a hotel there. So let's go backwards on ourselves and go down the road.
Yeah, don't forget to comment below if you have this Malta and you've done this area.
Yeah, let us know. Or do you stay in the old... What was it called today? Where did we go?
We went to Valletta, the capital.
Okay, Valletta, yeah. Let me know if you stay in Valletta or do you stay out there?
Salim.
Oh, we was in Salim as well, yeah. It was quite cool, quite like Salim. So yeah.
They got all the shots.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they've got loads of them on the table, bloody hell. They got them all. So, let's go and see the nightlife.
Going in, it's open.
Yeah, I said it was open, yeah. So, if you know #Brady, check this place out. Smash tag, eh? I don't know if #tag seen this, eh? Oh, okay, Italy winning 1-0. So that's quite cool. What time would that started then?
I don't know. Maybe it's a late game, the like 7:45 kickoff.
Yeah.
8, whatever it is.
So, check this out down there. Everyone chill out. It's quite a cool. I used to have a big TV like that.
For an hour ahead here as well.
Yeah, I know. Sahara Lounge there. With Club 77 downstairs.
Yeah,
It's like I just met a group of people, yeah? So yeah, Sahara Lounge. So you got a fun bar. There's fun bars all in thingy, weren't they?
Yeah.
Marmaris. Club Class there, yeah. Club Class. And Vigilante. So yeah, we'll go back later. We'll be coming back later on.
Fast track clubs.
Check this one out. Havana. Very cute. Cute. So Social and Passion Club there. Let's keep going. Oh, so you've got Passion behind you. So let's go down there. We've seen our other video, we came down there in the daytime. Must be like afternoon sort of time. Cheers, mate. So yeah. Let me know if you've ever been to here. Do you like this area or do you stay clear of this area? Seems alright to me. It's like you get in every destination, you get the old party areas. But yeah, really loud there. Outside Nordic bar. Very, very busy. Yeah. Nightclub again. Plenty of gentlemen's clubs down there. Oh, very noisy in that one. Very noisy. So yeah, get back to it. Everyone having fun? So yeah, we're going to keep walking because of the copyright music. Yeah, check them out. Everywhere. Oh, it's 3-1. I thought up there it said it was 1-0. It's 3-1. Wow. You'll be messing up. There you go, Spinner. So yeah. That's a little bar street there. So that's up there, the bar street. Very Christmassy set at the moment. Very cool. Let's keep going, I guess. We've always got the punch bags wherever you go. Wherever you go, sorry. So yeah, check it out. Very cool. Very cool. They had a little restaurant up there as well. The other lights. So yeah, little McDonald's here. I don't really know if I'm going to walk around in here though. Looks like everyone's just left here.
No, it looks like it's just more of a shopping mall.
Yeah. There's fluid up there. What's that say? A steakhouse. So maybe it's more restaurants, shops, bar. We know bars though. I'm sure. Normally the bars are now at the top, aren't they?
Should we have a look?
Let's have a look. Guys, make sure you subscribe, yeah? If you're not subscribed already.
There as well.
Oh, look at this.
Those
1 second.
lamps look really cool. They're like jellyfish, don't they?
Yeah, the big lamps. And there's some women as well. Like, blue, really blue. Come on, let's go have a look. So you got Pizza Hut, KFC, McDonald's, all in the one little building.
It's the usual shopping mall, fast food.
Yeah. So let's have a look. So you can find around here. Let's go up. So this is Bay Street. Oh. Check this little one out. It's very skinny. Really like a kid's one, doesn't it? This is very skinny. Look at the size of my hands. But yeah. Everyone getting closed down, it looks like. Is there anything up one more? So what's this place? Yeah. The Rainforest Cafe is closed. Well, do we go up one more, Sabrina, see what's up there? Is it going to work? Is it not going to turn on? I'm not going up there.
No? It's not working.
I'm not climbing the stairs. I climb the stairs for the product. Right, so...
Go back, I guess.
Yeah, so we'll do, we'll go over here, give you a nice view. So probably look on that thing, look on that sign, see what it says for upstairs. And shout me before I... And have a little look over here. Ah, okay. So yeah, Rainforest Cafe looks quite cool. But yeah. Nice little point here, looking over at everything. But yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. And yeah, that's a nightlife around Malta. What's the area called again, Sabrina?
Paceville.
Paceville, Malta. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See you guys.